Hello students. Hello student. In this video, we will discuss about next type of construction. Construction of perpendicular bisector of given line segment. That means, suppose here one line is given. Suppose AB line is given, and we want to draw the perpendicular bisector of the line AB. Perpendicular bisector means a line which bisect, that means divide AB line into two equal parts, and that line will be perpendicular, that means make a angle 90 degree with AB line. How to draw? In your compass, you should be take a distance, that means radius, more than half of length of this AB. That means you should be take like this, a radius which should be more than half of AB, and cut two arcs from A point. In one arc in the upper side from the AB, and in the lower side from the AB. That means like this, you should be cut two arcs, and same process with the same radius cut another arc from B point in the upper and in the lower direction. And you should be joining these two intersection points of arcs like this. Suppose this point is P and Q. Thus, PQ will be perpendicular bisector of AB. PQ is the perpendicular bisector. This sign read as perpendicular bisector of AB. But this is so important. How to prove that PQ is the perpendicular bisector of AB? This is known as justification. Now we try to understand what is the justification of this construction. For this, first we join AP, BP, AQ and BQ. Now join AP, BP, AQ and BQ. Since AP equal to BP and AQ equal to BQ, reason that these arcs cut from same radius, that means this will be equal to by construction. As you see here, there are two triangles formed, APQ and BPQ. So we should be take triangle APQ and triangle BPQ. AP equal to BP by construction. PQ equal to PQ common, and QA equal to QB by construction. These two are given here. Therefore, by triple S congruency, triangle APQ congruent triangle BPQ. That means this triangle will be congruent to this triangle. If both triangles are congruent, then corresponding side and corresponding angles will be equal by CP/CT. So this angle 1 will be equal to this angle 2. Therefore, angle 1 equal to angle 2 by CP/CT. Again, suppose this point is represented by R. Then here two triangles you can see, PRA and PRB. Now take in triangle PRA and triangle PRB. PRA, AP equal to BP. Reason that here given by construction. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, just above proved. And PR equal to PR. Reason that common. Therefore, by angle side angle SAS congruency, triangle PRA congruent triangle PRB. If both angles are congruent, then we can say that AR equal to BR. AR equal to BR, and also this angle 3 equal to angle 4. Angle 3 equal to angle 4, and region of both will be by CP CT. Since AR equal to BR, that means this portion will be this portion. That means PQ line divide to AB in equal two parts. That means PQ bisect AB. But till now there is no proof that PQ is the perpendicular of AB. For this we take, since angle 3 equal to angle 4, angle 3 equal to angle 4. Now write here, since angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to 180 degree. You can see here, if adding angle 3 and angle 4, then it will be make ARB line, which is a straight line. So sum of 3 and 4, angle 3 and angle 4 will be 180, and this is known as linear pair of angles. Since angle 3 and angle 4 both are equal, already we have proved here. So angle 3, on the place of angle 3 we can write angle 4 plus angle 4 equal to 180. Therefore 2 angle 4 equal to 180, or angle 4 equal to 180 upon 2 equal to 90 degree. That means angle 4 equal to 90 degree, which will be also equal to angle 3, because angle 4 equal to angle 3. Therefore PQ perpendicular to AB, PQ perpendicular to AB, and here AR equal to BR, and PQ bisect AB. Therefore we can say that PQ is perpendicular bisector of AB. This is the justification of our construction. Now in the next video we will take another type of construction.